Did your application crash because of the Libdl Library DLL issue? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to help you re-establish those broken links. Before we start the Libdl library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Libdl library, a generic dynamic loading shim, POSIX-style. It provides unmanaged routines, dlopen, dlsym, for runtime library orchestration, facilitating the data link between the host application and modular plugin manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The verified solution for this error is a clean reinstall of GNU Dynamic Linker Shim. Visit Microsoft to download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables and run the installers to replace the file. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the libdl library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading Libdl Library DLL from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If registry clutter or libdl library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. Thank you for trusting us with Libdl library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.